Oh, that one. Ipaubos gamay imong kamot anak. Ana. Sige na. Dili oy, ako naman siyang gikuanan anaon niya oh. That one oh. Oh, just like mama oh, how mama hold the pen. Okay. You kuan lagi na pa do ana gamay. Okay. So, sige, you draw that one. You draw that one oh, just like mama oh. You follow mama oh. Oo. Okay, na. Oh, sige, you go. Manadaot na. Mo binig assignment, ipasa din ni mo man ni teacher. Yellow. Oh, sige, you draw the yellow. Hold it properly.
Magtuon mo nung takadong. Maglakaw.
Hold it properly. Very good. Okay. Lahi na magulkaro panahon no kay nano mga ingani ba? Di na ka tong magama bitaw kag ilang tracing no. Sige, this one oh, what is this? What letter is this? Brown. What letter is this? I told you what letter is this? A. Yes, very good. This one. This one, what letter is this?
A.
Oh, very good. This is a small letter A and a big letter A. Dudong. Thank you. Absent si ate pa kay alas 8 naman eh. Mapay pagmataman na mo. Nauna libang silang duha. Oh, dance na yun. Ha?
Paw Patrol! Kita to eh, commercial.
Kasi mama help me din kuan ka dran hawig ka na. Okay, ginawa na.
Sakit ng dugo ko ba?
Jump.